Christmas time, I love Christmas time.
Hey, who's laughing without me?
Uh-oh, sorry, buddy. Were you sleeping?
No, I was just doing an impersonation of Grandpa Lemon. Hey, what are you?
I'm a gingerbread man.
Ginger man? Shouldn't you be a redhead?
That's gingerbread.
Hey, Ginger man, what's wrong with your teeth? Do you have gingivitis? Ginger man, doing all the things that Ginger can. Wait, what can Ginger do?
Dude, it's gingerbread. I'm a cookie, okay?
Oh, does that mean you have flour power?
I'm crying out loud.
What's wrong? Are you feeling crummy?
You are really annoying me. You know that?
Oh, I get it. You're a monster cookie. Grr.
Hey, pal, don't you think it's past your bedtime?
Oh, come on. You're the one that's up late. Hey, Ginger man. Hey.
What?
Santa.
No. Stop.
Whoa. Talk about a slam dunk.
Ow, my arm.
Well, I guess that's how the cookie crumbles.
Stay tuned for the Orange 2013 Season 2 on Cartoon Network. For these cheers for the holidays. Cheers for Snowman and Santa Claus and the Fruits crew. For all these cheers. No.